Hi, this is Tasha from Non-Packaging Machinery Company. Today, I'd like to introduce the Horizontal Doypack Packing Machine for packaging garlic. And this is the finished product. This type of machine is also suitable for packaging coffee beans, red dates, and other particles. Now, let's take a look at the details of this machine. This is the Z-type conveyor. We'll convey the material to the multi-height wheel. And this multi-height wheel has a dimple surface to prevent the garlic stick on the surface. After weighing, the wheel will automatically fill in the material into the hopper. This is the bag filling device. The machine will automatically pick up the bag and then open the bag. This machine is equipped with the servo motor to open the bag more stably. And then filling the material into the bag. Seal the bag. Finally, output the finished product. Now, let me show you the machine running. Please send us more inquiry to get more details. Bye bye.